Okay, I was still hungry after my one sandwich, and I thought, it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I haven't eaten one thing, and being hungry is a lot more likely than not being hungry. It really is. So I decided to make myself some egg drop soup, and I decided to make sure I add this to the stockpile list. Here is the list of things I will stockpile, and all of these are creating meals, desserts, making sure I don't run out of money. So I want to stockpile top ramen and soy sauce. So what I do is when I get a little extra money, I just buy an extra package of soy sauce, an extra bottle, a couple packages of top ramen. So why this is good, it's like a little meal. Okay, I have 1 egg and 1 tablespoon water. And this is a good stockpile meal. And this is also a good meal, say, if you don't have that much money. You want to beat your egg until it's frothy. So that takes quite a bit of beating to get it frothy. It comes out better if you get it frothy. For some reason, I don't know why. So, what I'm trying to do is compile meals that I can just run to my stockpile. See how it's starting to get frothy now? If I ever needed to, and I can eat them. And then you want to stir it until the egg is done. See how it makes the top ramen kind of creamy. I was thinking something, and I would have done it this time, but I forgot. This might be something you could use your egg replacer in. Let me get my egg replacer to show you. This is something I will pile a couple extra ones. These are equivalent to 113 eggs, and you can use them in baking. I had a cookie failure, and it might have been something to do with the egg replacer. Most of the time I can use egg replacer, and it's just fine. But that might have had something to do with the... Okay, so now for this I want to add... I keep dry chives and onions as much as you like. Salt... pepper, and a pinch of sugar. Some people say they never add sugar. You don't have to. It tastes good with sugar, though, if you want to try it. I was thinking, when I was spacey on the low-carb diet, it might have been not enough glucose to my brain. So it was anything but funny, really. You can use, I bet teriyaki sauce would be good in this. So if you start, okay, this was a black bean, this was a nachos recipe by Make It Enough. And it looked really good, and she said her kids love it. This was a dessert from Jan from New York City Saves Money. And then I compiled lists of items I want to start. I already have black beans, olives, corn, and salsa in my stockpile, but I have never stockpiled tortilla chips. I have tortillas in my freezer, but tortilla chips are easier. Okay, so my soup is looking good. It might be a while before I get the mukbang done. I have stuff to do, like laundry, and I have to attend to my garden. My plants are doing poorly. So see how this is a substantial meal here? If things got tight, you could survive on this. And then I have some tea back there that I made yesterday for today. This is really good. You can also make the top ramen in the Mexican style. You can add Mexican hot sauce and lime and eat it with flaming hot Cheetos, or you can put 1 can of Vienna sausages in your top ramen. I got that idea from Mr. Charles. I got this idea from one of the $5 challenges that Jan from New York City Saves Money did. And I thought, wow, why couldn't you make that with top ramen? And it ends up, it's just really good. So now you have 3 top ramens you want to add to your stockpile list now. You want to add Vienna sausages. And you want to add Cheetos. The thing about the Cheetos and the thing about the tortillas, those can be used in place of bread. And then Mexican hot sauce. And lime juice. I buy the lime juice at Dollar Tree. So the way to do it is you're at Dollar Tree and you say, oh, I have a little extra money. You buy a couple of Vienna sausages. Those are 50 cents. A couple of bags of top ramen, Mexican hot sauce, or you get a free sample, and some lime or lemon juice. You don't have to have that, but it sure is nice. Okay, you guys, God bless you all.